Hello student, hello friends. Today I will discuss all the pictures and the cartoons of the lesson outcomes of the democracy from the civics. So the first picture from the page number 90, where a man is sitting over the stone where it is written the other democracies and the other stones which are throwing as a array over him, where many issues has been written over the stones, such as to setting the language issues, student demands to solve the border disputes, to get the more DA, to get a separate state as a protest against police excesses. Okay, na? So these stones which are falling over the man, over his head, over his back, where the man is sitting over the stone is the R.K. Lakshman. R.K. Lakshman was a well-known, renowned, the cartoonist of India, the humorist of India also, and the issues which are falling over the man in the form of stones are the regional issues, are the different issues where the democracy has been facing these issues always the time, and he is worrying over to sitting the stones and very confusing how does these issues can be solved. Okay na? So a man who is sitting over the stones is very worrying in his postures and showing that he is very unhappy over these the issues which are just facing by the democracies always the times. Okay na? So the second pictures, second cartoons where the telescopes where a man is transparenting the other people, and the man who is transparenting the other people is the government, and other people who are just uh, trying to watch the government, they are the people and the public. So telescope is a means to get the inquiries about the government in the form of Aadhaar card, identity card, PAN card, income tax. Okay na? And the census which has been organized even each 10 years, and NRC's CAA, the new act has been formed by the government of India, the Modi government. So all these the modes which are used by the government to take the information of the public. How does the people will get the information from the government? There is very simple procedure to use the RTI. RTI is the act which is formed in the year 2005, and RTI stands for Right to Information Act, where the people will get the information about the certain departments through the RTI, and government or the department is very precise to give this release this information to the public. Otherwise, the action will be taken by the government or the you will say constitution. So the public will get the information to the public in the form of RTIs, and so many other modes can be used, such as after the RTI, the PIL, public interest litigations, and you will say the constitutional remedies can be used by the public if the moral duties, moral right has been depriving from the people of the country, and so many TV channels, media also helping to the people to get the information from the government. Also, the same times the political parties, various political parties are also standing with the public to take the information from the government to the public. So this cartoon is saying in such a way. And the next page, 92 page, where the different data has been shown in the graphs, where there is written democracy is preferred over the dictatorship everywhere except the Pakistan, because Pakistan where the government is forced by the ISI and the army, where the performance of the democracy is not very good up to the marks, and South Asia where the people are very satisfying with the democracies as the percentage is 88, and those people who are always overwhelming support for the democracies and it is 94%. Okay na? So this is the picture are saying, and the next page is 93, where a cartoon has been shown in the form of man, which is in the three stages the man is showing in the picture, The first stage, the rich man. The middle stage is the middle part is the middle, you will say, countries, and the poor people are showing by the legs. Rich countries are shown in the form of Americas and with the wealth, and these countries are no, you'll say just dominated the whole world, and these countries are the capitalistic countries because they are not only getting the all rights in their hand, but also they are forcing to the different type of the institution and funding them also to get the advantage of these institutions such as the World Bank and the WTO. Middle part of the body which is showing that the countries which is shown are struggling for the different type of the resources, and the poor part of the body is shown in the legs to showing the poor countries, very poor countries, and they are struggling for their livelihood also. Actually, the World Bank also classified the countries on the basis of their income per annum, and those countries which are getting the income more than $12,000 per annum are known as a rich countries, and rich countries are referred as a developed countries. And the countries which are getting the income $1,000 to $2,000 per annum, they are known as a underdeveloped countries, means poor countries. Okay, na? Underdeveloped countries, you can say. In such a way, the poor part of the body is known as a very poor countries, or the country which are struggling for their livelihood. So this is the distribution of the resources in the whole world is not very evenly distributed. So this is the issue of the resources. Next page, page number 95, where you can see a poor man who is just closed his mouth by the piece of cloth, and the man is just prepared by the different type of the patches of the cloths. It means it is showing as a poor man. Poor man, how does he clear voice to the government when he has given the proper, you will say, representation in the democratic politics in the form of, you will say, decision making process, when he has got a chance to just send his voice to the government, in such a way the government will listen him. And the same pictures or the cartoon is showing the poor countries also, because the poor countries, how do they get the advantage when they are going to be united and fight together and combat fight together, and then they will also get the proper share equally, evenly in the whole world, and they will not give the permission to the developed countries to take the advantage of their resources own. They have the right to exploit the resources of their own countries, and they have to take the initiative strongly with themselves altogether to get the proper advantage, and get the prosperities altogether also. Okay, now this cartoon is showing in such a way. And the next page, page number 96, where the table is shown here, where the two people are sitting against each other, and 50% or getting the cake which is made by the globe. Only the 2% cake are got by the 50% people who mostly they are the poor people, and 2% people, those who are mostly the rich people, and they are getting the 98% cake of the world. It means this is the uneven distribution of the resources in the whole world, where the rich are getting the richer and poor are getting the poorer. Means the economic gains are distributed in societies in such a way this inequalities fails to disappear. Means the distribution of the resources has not been well organized in such a way the whole people will get the equal advantage. Next page, page number 97, where the two, you'll say, cartoon has been shown in the form of enemies and the greetings. Enemies where the democratic policies when makes races, religion, caste, or any other forms which are found in the district social division, as it's further divide the societies and give the impetus to the conflict. This not a healthy for the democracy itself also. Means this is the cartoon shown in the form of jacket, which is you will say joined by the chain, and the two hands which are having the hammers over themselves. These hands are just represent as the societies, and hammer are just represent as a issues when they are getting the force by pulling the hand against each other. It means they are getting the strength, but at the same time they are just losing themselves also. And when their society has been divided, obviously the democracy are in the danger. The second picture where it is just contrary against the enemies cartoons, where the two people are getting together. It means the two societies which are just closing together. It means they are just minimizing their division or the issues through the democratic means the moral and prudential region. When they are just coming together to each other, it means they are just going to solve their all the issues. And in such a way, when they are getting these steps to coming closer, it means they are just lead to the solid uh, ration of the country. Means they are contributing in a development of each and every class of the society. It means it makes an environment where the people can grow and prosper together. Means when the two societies will you will say just minimizing their issues or the differences or the division, obviously they will get the proper, you will say, advantages, and all the people will grow together everywhere. Okay na? So this is the cartoon is saying in such a way. Last cartoon of the lesson outcomes of the democracy in the page number 98, where a woman is sitting over the chair in the bus inside, and the man is crying over the lady. The lady, which is the Roja Parka, the man who is crying over the lady is the bus driver. What has happened here in the bus? Actually, this is the event of 1955 in the Montgomery, Alabama, where the Roja Parka was the women. She was declared by the United States Congress that she was the first lady of the civil rights movement in America. Actually, this is the credit has been gone with the Martin Luther King, but she got the she raised the voice for the women. Okay, na? And she also known as the freedom movement mother. Means she is known as the she has been regarded as the mother of freedom movement. So what happened actually in the bus inside in 1955 in Montgomery, Alabama, where Roja Parka rejected the bus driver order. Bus driver James F. Blacks gave the order to the Roja Parka to relinquish her seat in the colored section to a white passenger. Oh, after the white only sections was filled. Okay, na? So she become an international icon after this incident because she was also resisting to social segregation. Segregation means the isolations, the separations. Okay, na? So this is the cartoon is showing about the civil rights movement and their conditions. How does a lady become the international icon? All these incidents are showing that the democracies where it is giving the voice to the people who are always known as a libel in the absence of democracies. But after the democracies, these people has become the assets in the democracies and get the advantages because democracy has itself yields a power to get the overwhelming support everywhere. Okay, na student? So hope you enjoyed this video lecture of the cartoons and the pictures of the lesson outcome of the democracies. If any queries, you can comment in the comment box. And positively, I think you enjoyed this video lecture. Thank you to listening me and watching me.